import to check out a unique, especially in classics. 2012 Mini Cooper S convertible or Roadster. One owner car. Actual miles, just a little over 40,000 is all in this one. It's also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a close look at the front fascia. See, that's in nice condition. I believe this color was considered chili red in 2012 on the Coopers. Black cloth top, we're going to put that up at the end of the video here. We'll get done with the walk around, show you that. 1.6 liter inline 4 underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Riding on the Mini Cooper wheels. Tires were put on within the last couple years. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also call 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. I mean, it's been driven 40,000 miles. You may have an imperfection here or there, but overall, shows well. Kind of a deep charcoal or black leather interior. All the modern amenities. We get around to the driver's side. I'll hit on a few of those. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Check out the rear and the center dump exhaust. It does have this power rear wing. Just raise that up for video purposes. You'll be able to see it down in the still pictures. Just a switch inside the car. I believe it's up by the rear window. Should say rear view mirror. Right up here where the convertible top is. Convertible top switch here. That spoiler switch right there. As well as some interior lighting switches. Like I said, we'll get around to that driver's side, open it up, start it up, let you hear it run, check it out a little closer. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car. Maybe you can't make it due to distance or time. Feel free to have a third-party inspector look at it. We try to represent them as fairly as possible with the walk-around video, of course the driving video, and all the still pictures. All right, let's go through some of these amenities. You can see power mirror over here on the side. You do have a very nice stereo system in these cars, basically the whole multimedia arrangement up in that center cluster where the speedometer is. Tachometer would be right in front of you. As you can see, steering wheel controls also. It does have heated seats. Show you how the key works. Basically, you can have this round disc right here that will slide into that right there. Just gives you push button start. And as you can tell, the radio is working. I'm going to turn that down a second. And there's your exact miles. I do have the parking brake on. That's what that light is. There's your miles. 40,501. Guarantee you the AC blows cold, quite cold. You would have an automatic climate control here also. Just want to set temperature. Some fog lights, power windows, then of course the heated seats. Here's your CD/multimedia. You can click around in this. Settings, vehicle info, mini connected, navigation, office, phone, and radio. All your modern technology. Also Harman Kardon stereo system. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I guess what you'd expect. far as sound. It's modern 2012. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to pop this hood so you check out that engine bay. Here it is, underside the hood. And engine bay. Again, 1.6 liter, inline 6. Dual red cam. Paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, nice, clean, and tidy. Again, what you'd expect with a vehicle, one owner, a little over 40,000 miles is all. Sounds good, looks good. Let's go ahead and put that power convertible top up, check that up, and we'll wrap up this walk around. And here it is with the top up. So, black cloth top. What you'd expect, a car this kind of miles on it, condition. Nice tight fit above the windshield. They got the side glass up also, so you can see how well that fits. Doesn't look like it's hardly been up. Glass rear window, rear defrost. No rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. Needed to keep you out of a brief shower, or maybe you want the AC on. Top up. It's gonna serve the purpose just fine. 2012 Mini Cooper S Roadster convertible. Just a little over 40,000 miles. One owner. And remember, it's gonna come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, and you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2012 Mini Cooper Roadster S. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down. This car has a 6-speed manual on the center console. Good acceleration in this car. Some different instruments. Speedometer, it's huge over here. A throwback to the old school Mini. Stereo working well. We also have miles per hour digitally right in the center of the tachometer. The odometer reading 40,499 miles. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. This is a very easy to drive, nimble little car. I'm 6'1" and I do fit in it just fine. Comfortable bucket seats. Corners well, it doesn't lean much in the corners. Very nice modernized Mini. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.